After you get some time though, you need to actually wash. Thank you. Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Now today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and the girl got her water because it is early and your girl I had to do some things with this wig and I had to focus. Now if you haven't caught it by now, it took some work to get this wig like this. So if you are someone who wants a wig ready to go out the pack, this one is not for you, sis. But if you are someone who wants to learn how to slay your wigs out the pack, here you go. But before we get into all that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. All right, hold up. Let me get a little drinky drink because we're gonna do some things today, okay? Like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you wanna check it out, you can. Now I know I've said it for some other brands, and I'm gonna say it for Nadula as well. Nadula is what I consider to be a fast fashion wig brand, meaning they give you the trends and that's about it, okay? The hair quality, the hairlines, the bleach knots, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty much a little bit lower than you may see at other brands. No shade to brands that I call fast fashion. It's just what it is. They know what they are. A spade is a spade. I feel like I just did this wig for another brand, but the price point is a little bit cheaper over here. So, you know, if you like that wig, but you want to spend a little less coin, here you go. So this one gives you something like the kinky edges. It gives you like a little sprinkle right there in the front. If you see my other kinky edges videos, then you know. And the hair texture is supposed to be kinky straight. It's definitely giving more of a silky kinky than an actual kinky. Again, if you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Okay, it's not really a lot of texture in here, but I'm pretty sure when I go in to spray it with my little hoe bath, or you wash your unit, because you know, again, wash all your wigs. I just don't do it all the time in my videos because I wanna get going. It will still swell up and it will bring some of that texture back into the wig. It's not high quality. You get a little bit of razzle and that's about it. But today we are going to get this wig together the best way possible. They say it's transparent, so you know, normally with lace like this that they call transparent, it does take the products really well, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna tint it with my 360 Mocha press powder. I'm gonna tint it real good up under this lace, y'all. Even if it's too dark, that is fine, because when I put my mousse on, some of the product will come off, but it'll still be tinted a little bit. It kind of creates like a tinted mousse. Now, if you're new to my channel or you have not realized, I am not someone to bash a brand. That's just not what I do over here. I find my honesty in laughs. So I will laugh and joke about a brand all day, but there is honesty behind my laughs. It's a wig in my opinion. You don't have to buy it. So again, take my reviews as they are. They are fun, they are light, but they are truthful. Okay, I am still honest in my reviews whether I'm laughing or not. You'll know. So let me cut off the lace in the back. There's a slight chemical smell, so I'm gonna use my little hoe bath, okay, my dry shampoo and my water, and this is only a quickie, okay? That's why it's called a home bath. It's supposed to be quick. In between the looks. After you get some time though, you need to actually wash the wig. Thank you. Pat, pat, pat. It does come with the elastic band already in my wig. It is removable, so you should get one in yours as well. These are the ones that I like, the real thick ones. Thick. Well, this band is really comfortable. I definitely have room, but I do not have a pluck hairline. That's real. Ooh, that's real thick. Okay, that is thick. That is really thick. Nadula, if you want this to work, you gotta give us something, because this right here is that's very like you don't care about me, Nadula. If I was to gel my hairline down, I may be able to work that, but y'all know I don't do that, okay? I don't like the swoops. No, ma'am. No. I have my tweezers right here, the square tip ones. I need to break this up because it's too thick. Like, my hairline is not even close to being that thick, and I cannot make that look natural without going in to pull some of that hair out. So I'm just gonna go right here like that. And again, it's not, I don't gotta do too much. It broke it up just that fast. Fast fashion still looks the part. The hair quality may not be the same, but it at least looked the part. I hope it's working because I can't see nothing. I don't have a comb down here. Let me pull this down and pluck behind the hairline. So that is as good as it's gonna get because I don't feel like plucking nothing else out. So we gotta make it work for what it is right here. Put my little clock clip in here. If you still don't know how to cut your ear tabs off, I'll link a video down below to show you how to do it from the inside out. I have explained this in my comments numerous times. I know some of us are visual learners, so I will link that video down below to see exactly what I'm talking about when I say to turn the wig inside out and outline it with the white mark to cut your ear tabs off. Okay, there we go with that. Cut this lace off. Cut to the front. Oh, I didn't cut enough right there. Use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline. I'm gonna keep the hairs brushed back for now. I hope we can get this one together. I have faith in myself. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush to blow dry this hair out. Just link down below if you wanna get it. And I'll blow dry it on high. To make sure I don't melt this wig, because I can already tell by the texture, I'm gonna put it on low. I do need to go in and clip my ends, but first I'm gonna make sure my top is laid down because got the little bumpity bumps up here and I don't want those, okay? I don't want the bumpity bumps. Let me just see what my parting space is looking like. I think I want to do a side part. I mean, I'm pretty sure I want to do a side part. I'll probably have to pluck some hair out of here. I got my Time-O straightener, so I only got it on the second one, which is still pretty hot, but not as hot as I normally have it. Straighten it all out on the top. And just bring out this section like this. Get them roots straightened. Got some flyaways up there, but we'll get those together in a second. Flatten these bumps out over here. Brush it out like that. Take my bristle brush, smooth that all down. I'm just gonna pluck a little bit on the part. I'm not plucking this way, I'm plucking down this way to kind of thin out the top area. Kind of open it up that way a bit. Now obviously if you part it a different way, it'll close it up and you'll have to do it again. Let me just clip this down, keep this out the way, flatten this back. Ends are a little scraggly, they could be better. I'm just gonna go in and cut those ends off like that. I'm just gonna pull it back into a clip, do my makeup, and then we will come back, style this wig up, and see what the end result is looking like. That's looking pretty good though. All right, so let's take this band off so we can see what the hairline is looking like. I am gonna put on my wig grip, make sure we don't have no slippage. Put it back on, put my glasses on over the lace. Do need to fix my part. Bring that over here. Now for blending my lace, because this is ashy for me, I will need to use my contour. Because this is so much lighter than my actual skin tone, the contour will work perfectly. Put a little bit on the brush, and then I'm gonna go in around the hairline. In my lights, y'all can see it's blending really well, but I already know when I step outside, it's still gonna be ashy. I don't care if you know that I'm wearing a wig, but I want it to be like a little, maybe, maybe not. To the side, it looks pretty good. But when you turn head on, that light is gonna catch it. It's gonna catch it every single time. Look up in your mirror, blend up under there too. Keep blending. Like I said, it looks pretty good. Let me just smooth this back down again. Pull some of this hair out in the front. We'll pluck behind the hairline because it's still a little thick. Blend this back in with my contour. Now I could use my grease, but because this is more of a silky, kinky straight, it's gonna be too shiny. So I'm gonna use my wax stick to lay these hairs down real quick and then brush it in. And then I think I'm gonna do gel around my edges. Brush it down, brush it back. This hair right here, I'm gonna use as my little sideburn. Gotta cut it. Brush this down. I do need to pull some of this hair out right here, just to open up that part a little bit. Do a little bumpity bump on my ends. I need to fix this. I don't like how that's sitting like that. This hair right here, it needs to go this way, like that. There we go. There we go. Now for my hairline, because it's not as pre-plucked as I would like, I'm gonna use my knot eraser, this color right here. I'm just gonna put a little product up in here to give the illusion that I'm breaking up my hairline. Hold up, with my brush. Every time you move the hair, you gotta go back in and fix your contour. Same knot eraser. I think we are done, y'all. I'm gonna fix this curl. I want it to be a little bit more la-ba-boom. This section right here, I can definitely tell it's a lot more texturized than what's under here. Maybe it's just the hair on the frontal that's a little different. Maybe. So this is the finished look, and I think we got her together. Now, when it comes to this wig, this one is more for the budget baddies who don't want to spend a bunch of coin on their wigs, but still want a similar look to what's out there that may be a little bit more expensive. This one for you, okay? I already said what I said in the video, okay, when it comes to the texture, the hairline, the price point, the fast fashionness of it all. I already said that, okay? So I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I think for the end result and the price point, we were able to do something with this wig. Now, if you don't care about the kinky edges, you just want the regular hairline that you can kind of tweeze up or, you know, kind of finagle for yourself, they do have that. They also have this wig in different parting spaces. So the closure, I think they may even have a T-part. Whatever floats your boat, whatever works for you, do that. If you don't want this wig, if it's too much work, then again, don't get it, okay? I'm just showing you what is possible for this wig if you decide to get it for yourself, and I'm showing you also that not all wigs are created equal. This one shows you that. Okay, how I was looking at the pack, I would not have worn that joint outside. I wouldn't do it. You want to get this wig as a ponytail wig, you can definitely do that. I mean, I have done crazier things. And then I can do a little claw clip, twist it like that. I got these linked in my Amazon store. They come in a multi-pack, so you got a couple different looks. Still no glue. My senses are tingling. I feel like this looks a lot better pinned up than it does down. And I know some of y'all don't like the actual thick Kinky, so if you want a lighter version of Kinky straight without the, you know, the heat, this one may be for you. So again, do what works for you in your pockets and you'll be just fine. Wig Bay honor. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.